Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. We are here because we want to learn algebra. Today is our lesson number 146. Day 146. We are in the process of solving word problems from day number 101 through 200. Today is our 46th day. The problem for today is already on the blackboard. I'm going to read it to you, just in the event that you have trouble with my handwriting. So here we go. It says, in a college, there are a total of T students. T is the some number. Obviously, we do not know what it is. Otherwise, it wouldn't be algebra. It would be arithmetic. So we have a total of T students. T for total. We are told that F of them are freshmen. We are told that S of them are sophomore. S for sophomore. And we are told that J, quantity J, again we do not know how much J is, but that quantity J is how many juniors we have. The rest are seniors. The rest are seniors. The question is very simple. The question is, how many more students are not seniors compared to the number who are? One more time. How many students are not seniors compared to the students who are? Pause the video, solve it yourself. This problem is very similar to what we did yesterday, just a little bit more difficult than the one we did yesterday, as I explained to you day before yesterday. On day number 144, we did the very first problem, which was a very simple problem. It was an easy question, but the same idea. And day number 145, yesterday, we did a similar problem, which was a little bit more difficult than the one before, which was a medium question. And today, this one is a little bit even more challenging, but that's okay. Pause the video, solve it yourself. Once you have done so, then you can resume it and compare the work that we're going to do together with the work that you have done yourself. So here we go. Very first thing we need to figure out is, in order to figure out how many students are seniors, we have to first figure out how many of them are not seniors. And that's very straightforward. We are told that F of them are freshmen. We are told that S of them are sophomores. And we are told that J of them are juniors. Therefore, these people, the number of students who are freshmen, the number of students who are sophomore, and the number of students who are juniors, the sum of these three quantities, that's how many people we have in the college who are not seniors. Obviously, they are not seniors because that's probably why they call freshmen, sophomore, and juniors. So these many of them are not seniors. Now, how do we figure out the number that are seniors? The number of students that are senior would be, therefore, it follows here, therefore, this means, this symbol, 3 dots like this, means, therefore. Therefore, the total number of students that we have minus the number of students, the total minus the number of students who are not seniors. For example, if there are 100 freshmen, okay, let's make a number here. If there are 100 freshmen, 200 sophomores, and 300 juniors, then we know that the sum of freshmen, sophomore, and junior is 600. Now, if we are told that there are altogether 1,000 students in the college, then 1,000 minus the 600 must be the number of students who are seniors. Therefore, the total minus the sum of these three quantities, that's how many seniors we have. This is how many are seniors. Now, here's where you're going to have to follow the logic. I could actually try to save time and just do the work, but I'm going to actually write down all the logic that we're going to follow, so that it makes it easier for you to understand the work. Here we go. Therefore, the question here is how many more. This is a key word. How many more? How many more students are not seniors? How many more students are not seniors. You have to pay attention to the wording. It is the wording that kills the people, because they do not take the time to appreciate the language. How many more are not seniors? Therefore, the more means the excess. Therefore, the excess of the number of students who are not seniors compared to the ones who are, compared to the ones who are seniors, is the excess. Understand? Okay, look, I'm going to again plug in numbers here so that it's easy to follow, because it is otherwise tricky. Let's plug in number right from the very beginning so you understand the logic. There are 100 freshmen. Let's pretend we're just plugging in numbers. We're just pretending there are 100 freshmen. Let's pretend there are 200 sophomores. Let's pretend that there are 300 juniors. So the sum of freshmen, sophomores and juniors is 600. Let's also pretend that we have a total of 1000 students. The question is how many more students are not seniors? Well, 400 of them are seniors. This is 600. This adds up to 600. And that's how many people? 600 of them out of 1000. 600 of them are not seniors. Right here, F plus S plus J are not seniors, which is 600 based on the figure that we plugged in here. 600 of them are not seniors, 400 of them are seniors. Therefore, the question, how many more are not seniors compared to the numbers who are? Well, 600 of them are not seniors, 400 of them are seniors. Therefore, how many more of them are not seniors compared to the number who are? Well, that's 200. 600 minus 400. 600 of them are not seniors, 400 of them are seniors. Therefore, how many more people are not seniors compared to the number who are? The answer is 600 minus 400, 200. That's what's going on here. Therefore, the excess number of students who are not seniors compared to the ones that are seniors is, we're going to take this total here, 600. We're going to take this total here, the 600, and from that we're going to subtract the ones who are seniors. This is how many are seniors. So we have F plus freshman plus sophomore plus juniors minus, so this is how many people are not seniors. Okay, I don't have the room to write keep writing the same thing over and over again. This is how many people who are not seniors. Right here, I point to here. This is how many people who are not seniors minus the number who are seniors, which is the total minus this quantity, F plus S plus J. Voila. This is your answer. This is our final answer. Of course, in the exam, the answer is not going to look like that because we have to simplify it. So let's do that. We have to simplify it. So here we have F plus S plus J minus, open the parentheses, minus T, and this minus and this minus, this negative and this negative, when you open the parentheses, becomes positive. Now we have F plus S plus J here, we have F plus J plus S there. Therefore the total is, final answer is 2 times this quantity, F plus S plus J, because we have it here, we have there, minus the T. Voila, that is our final answer. Now what I'm going to do right now is exactly what I do you at the end of the problem, which is to run like a madman to the back of the camera and to make sure that you can actually read this through. If not, then I'm going to have to erase something on the top to accommodate the answer, and I don't want to really erase anything. I want to leave everything on the blackboard. Just give me a second. Yep, everything seems to be hunky-dory, so you're going to leave it the way it is. And that is your final answer. Okay? And don't ask me where I learned hunky-dory, okay? Let's verify that answer, shall we? Let's verify it. It's always a good idea in the algebra problem, when you get done doing the problem, it only takes a few seconds, as I've explained to you many times, to buy the insurance, to make sure that we have the right answer. That few extra seconds that it takes is well worth the premium, that is your premium for buying the insurance, and it's well worth the price. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Besides, more than half the work we have already done in terms of plugging in, because we plugged in numbers before. We're going to use the same number to verify our answer. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. The question is, how many more students are not seniors? Well, 600 of them are not seniors. If 600 of them are not seniors and the total is 1000, that implies that 400 are seniors. 600 of them are not seniors, 400 of them are seniors. How many of more are not seniors? The answer is 200. The answer is 200. How many? 200 more students, listen carefully, 200 more students are not seniors compared to the numbers who are seniors. Now when we plug in these values for F and S and J and T in this expression, this bloody thing better give us 200. Because 200 is the right answer. We know that based on the number that we plugged in. Let's do it, shall we? So here we go. So it says 2 times F. Strictly speaking, I should write right underneath. I'm going to squeeze right underneath and then I'm going to write it here. 2 times F, which was 100, plus S, which is 200, plus junior, which is 300. So 100 plus 200 plus 300 is 600, times 2 is 1200, minus 1000. Minus 1000. Let's do it here. 2 times F, which is 100, plus S, which is 200 to be plugged in here, plus J, which we plugged in 300, minus T, minus the T, which is 1000. Again, one more time. 100 plus 200 is 300, 300 plus 300 is 600, 600 times 2 is 1200, 1200 minus 1000 will give us the 200 that we knew should be the answer based on the numbers that we plugged in. That's it. So it is the right answer. Something like this will make an excellent problem. It will appear as a hard problem on the GRE or the GMAT or the SAT for that matter. There's nothing wrong with this question. That's it. By the way, I don't know who is running this college, but whoever is running this college is doing a banged up job of recruitment of newer students, because by the time the seniors graduate, which we found out are 400, the freshmen that are coming in, the freshman body that is coming in, is only 1/4 the size of the seniors. So this college is not doing, as I said, they're doing a banged up job, not doing a great job of recruitment. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. I will see you tomorrow on day number 147. Alright? Bye now.